Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we'll solve exercise 23a. Actually that is very important chapter that is basically based on the geometry. Very important and very interesting chapter. So let's start. Now look at the question number 1. Write down the angles complementary to 24 degree, 56 degree and 39 degree. So at first we have to understand what is actually complementary. So we can say two angles will be complementary to each other if the summation of these two angles will be 90 degree. And another thing is very important, then these two angles will be the adjacent angle. Suppose this is a 90 degree. We're drawing another angle. If we add these two angles, then if the summation is 90 degree, then we can say this angle is complementary to this angle, or this angle is complementary to this angle. So we can say if that is 30 degree, that should be 60 degree, because we have to subtract 30 from 90 and 30 plus 60 equal to 90. So we can check it again. So what is complementary angle? Complementary means if the summation of two angles is 90 degree, then we can say one angle is complementary to another one. So 30 degree is complementary to 60 degree. 60 degree is complementary to 30 degree. Simple. Now we have to solve the problem. First one says write down the angles complementary to 24 degree. If we want to find out the complementary of 24 degree, then we can say complementary angle will be 90 degree minus 24 degree. So if we subtract 24 from 90, we will get 66 degree. Very simple. Now 56 degree. So what is the complementary angle of 56 degree? We can say we have to subtract 56 degree from 90 degree. Then we will get 34 degree. Now our last problem. Last problem says find out the complementary angle of 39 degree. So how can we find out? Just we have to subtract this 39 degree from 90 degree. Then what will it be? It will be 51 degree. So from this question we can conclude this thing, that is 66 degree is complementary to 24, or 24 is complementary to 66. 56 is complementary to 34, or 34 is complementary to 56. 39 is complementary angle to 51 degree, and 51 is the complementary angle of 39 degree. Very simple thing, because if you add these two angles you will get 90. If you add these two angles you will get 90. If you add these two angles then you will get 90. And this is the solution of number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 says write down the angles supplementary to 45 degree, 68 degree and 121 degree. Now we have to understand what is supplementary. Supplementary angle and complementary angle both has same definition but little bit different. In a complementary angle, the sum of two angles should be 90 degree. But in a supplementary angle, sum of two angles will be 180 degree. Sum of two angles to adjacent angle, it will be better if I write in that way. Sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. That is called a supplementary angle. Suppose if I draw this thing, this is a straight line. Okay, so if I draw another line here that is intersecting each other, then we will say that this angle is supplementary to that one, or that angle is supplementary to that one. Suppose this one is 60 degree, then it should be 120 degree, because summation of 60 and 120 should be 180. Now go back to our main question. We have to find out the angle supplementary to 45 degree. So how can we solve? So we have to find out the supplementary angle of 45 degree. So supplementary angle should be, you have to subtract 45 from 180. So 180 degree minus 45 degree, and then we'll get our answer. That should be 135 degree. Very simple. Just try to understand these two things. Complementary means you have to subtract from 90. In a supplementary, you have to subtract from 180. Very easy thing. Now, if I want to find out the supplementary angle of 68, how can we find it? we have to subtract 68 from 180 degree. Then we'll get 112 degree. And the last one, that is, we have to find out the supplementary angle of 121 degree. So if I want to find out the supplementary angle of 121 degree, how can we solve it? We can solve it. We have to subtract this 121 from 180. Then we'll get, our answer should be 59 degree. So we can say 45 degree is supplementary to 135 or 135 is supplementary to 45. 68 degree is the supplementary angle of 112 degree. 112 degree is the supplementary angle of 68 degree. 121 degree is supplementary to 59 degree, or 59 degree is the supplementary angle of 121 degree. Very simple thing. Now write down the angles complementary to 20 plus x degree. So if I want to find out the angles complementary to 20 plus x degree, that means we have to subtract from 90 degree. So you can say 90 degree minus 20 plus x degree. So if we subtract now 90 degree minus 20 degree minus into plus, that is minus x degree. So 90 minus 20 degree, that is 70 degree minus x degree. So 70 degree minus x degree will be complementary to 20 plus x degree. And obviously you can verify that your answer is right or wrong. How can you verify? Just add. If you add these two angles, 20 plus x plus 70 minus x. Here is a x degree, positive x degree, here is a negative x degree. So you can cut both ones. Then 20 plus 70, that is 90 degree. That means we can say our answer is correct. Now number 4. Number 4 says write down the angle supplementary to 120 plus y degree. So what is the definition of supplementary angle? You know that the sum of two adjacent angles should be 180 degree. That means if I want to find out the supplementary angle of 120 plus y degree, that means we have to subtract this angle from 180 degree. Very simple. So the supplementary angle should be 180 degree minus 120 plus y degree. So if we subtract 180 degree minus 120 degree minus y degree, then it will be 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree minus y degree. So supplementary angle of 120 plus y degree should be 60 minus y degree. And you can also verify that your answer is right or wrong. How can you verify? Just add these two angles. If your summation is 180 degree, then you can see your answer is correct. So now 120 degree plus y degree plus 60 degree minus y degree. So here is a positive y, here is a negative y. So you can cut. Actually, you can subtract. So 120 plus 60, that is 180 degree. So we can say 60 degree minus y degree should be the supplementary angle of 120 plus y degree. Now number 5. Number 5 says if two adjacent angles on a straight line are z and 3z degree, find the value of z. So if I want to draw this figure, actually, the question says if two adjacent angles on a straight lines are z degree and 3z degree. That means if this one is z degree, this one should be 3z degree. And this is totally a straight line. That means we can create a straight angle. What is straight angle? Straight angle means 180 degrees. Straight angle means 180 degree. That means actually this z degree are supplementary to 3z degree, or 3z degree is supplementary to z degree. That means according to the question we can say, z degree plus 3z degree equal to one straight angle. One straight angle. So what is the value of one straight angle? That is 180 degree. So we can say 4z degree should be 180 degree. If you divide this equation by 4, then we'll get 4z degree divided by 4 equal to 180 degree divided by 4. Then we can say, we can cut 4 and 4, and 180 by 4, that should be 45 degree. Then we can say our final answer should be 45 degree. Okay, that means z equal to 45 degree, and then 3z should be 3 multiplied by 45 degree, that is 135 degree. So we can say 45 degree is supplementary to 135 or 135 is supplementary to 45. So here our answer should be 45 degree. Now number 6. Number 6 is if two adjacent angles on a straight line are P and P plus 30 degree, find the value of P. Actually this problem are similar to number 5. If the two adjacent angles on a straight line are P and P plus 30, suppose this angle is P and this angle is P plus 30 degree, then we can say this P is adjacent to P plus 30. First one. And another thing is that if the summation of these two angles is a straight angle, that means 180 degree, that means we can say P plus 30 and P are supplementary to each other. That means P is supplementary to P plus 30, P plus 30 is supplementary to P. Then we can say P plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. Very simple one. So P plus P, that is 2P plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. So we can subtract 30 degree from both parts. So 30 degree minus 30 degree equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. So we're just subtracting 30 from both parts. Then what will we get? 30 minus 30, it will go. It will be gone. Then you will get here 2P equal to 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. Now if we divide this equation by 2, then we will say 150 degree divided by 2, that is 75 degree. So the value of P should be 75 degree. So if the value of P is 75 degree, then it should be 75 plus 30 degree. That means we can say it should be 105 degree. And if you add 105 and 75, you will get 180. This is very simple thing. So we can say 75 is supplementary to 105. 105 is supplementary to 75. Now our next problem, number 7. Number 7 says two lines AOB and XOY meet at O. If AOX equal to 124 degree, write down the size of the angles XOB, BOY and YOA. So how can we solve this problem? Very simple one. First we have to draw the figure. Two lines AOB and XOY meet at O. So suppose this is AOB and this is XOY. We can label this one in that way, AOB and XOY. Okay, two lines AOB and XOY meet at O. Okay, that means these two straight lines intersect at O. If AOX equal to 124, if AOX equal to 124 degree, if AOX equal to 124 degree, write down the size of the angles XOB. That means we have to find out the value of this angle, the angle of BOY and the angle of YOA. That means we have to find out these three angles. So we can say this BOY is vertically opposite to AOX. Again, this BOY is vertically opposite to AOX, and from the theorem we can say these two angles are equal. That means we can say vertically opposite angles are equal. So from the definition we can say AOX equal to BOY. So if AOX is 124 degree, the angle of BOY should be 124 degree also, and that is our first answer. So BOY, that is 124 degree. So now we have to find out the value of XOB. Look, here AOX and XOB are supplementary. Why? Because if you look at AOB, AOB is a straight line, and angle AOB is a straight angle. Is a straight angle. That means we can say the summation of AOX and the summation of BOX should be 180 degree because they are supplementary to each other. So angle AOX plus angle BOX equal to 180 degree. So what is the value of AOX? So we know that the value of AOX is 124 degree plus B angle BOX equal to 180 degree. So the angle of BOX should be 180 degree minus 124 degree. So we can say our answer should be 56 degree. Answer should be 56 degree. And we can say another thing, that is AOY. That means this angle, this AOY, this angle is vertically opposite to angle BOX. This AOY is vertically opposite to BOX. That means we can say angle AOY will be the equal to angle BOX. That means the angle of AOY should be 56 degree also. Since the value of VOX is 56 degree, so the answer of angle AOY should be also 56 degree. In that way, we can find out all of these problems. So angle BOY is 124 degree, angle BOX equal to 56 degree, and angle AOY equal to 56 degree. So this is 56 degree. Now number 8. Number 8 says AOB and OX are two lines which meet at O. If the value of angle AOX is 42 degree and OZ bisects the angle XOB, find the angle XOZ. So at first, we have to draw the figure. So if I draw this figure, suppose this is AOB, suppose this is AOB, and OX are two lines which meet at O, and there is given the value of angle AOX is 42 degree. So suppose if I say this one is AOX, and the value of this angle AOX is 42 degree. And another thing is that OZ bisects the angle. OZ bisects the angle XOB. That means another line that bisects angle XOB. Now we have to find out the angle XOZ. Very simple one. Suppose this is a Z, that means we have to find out the angle of XOZ. So we can draw this figure in that way. So first one, number 8, first one, AOB and OX are two lines meet at O. That means AOB equal to what? Since AOB is a straight line, that means we can say the value of angle AOB is 180 degree and AO is equal to 42 degree. We got it from the statement. So what is angle XOB? We can say AOX and XOB are supplementary to each other. That means XOB is supplementary to AOX. That means XOB should be 180 degree minus 42 degree. So if we subtract 42 degree from 180 degree, we'll get 138 degree. What will we get? 138 degree. So now OZ, this is another line. This bisect XOB. So what does bisect means? Bisect means this straight line OZ divide this angle XOB into two equal parts. That means bisect means divided by 2. Bisect means divided by 2. That means we can say this XOZ should be half of angle XOB. That means half of, that is multiplication, and XOB is 138 degree. So if we divide 138 by 2, we'll get 69 degree. So this will be 69 degree, this will be 69 degree. If the question asks you what is the angle of ZOB, that will be also 69 degree. And if you add this 69, 69 and 42, then you will get 180 degree. So you can verify. We can solve this problem in another way too. That is, we know that OZ bisect angle XOB into two equal parts. That means XOZ equal to ZOB. And we can say angle XOZ plus angle ZOB should be 138 degree. Why? Because angle XOB equal to angle XOZ plus ZOB. If the value of these angles is 138 degree, then the summation of these two angles should be 138 degree also. So since both are same thing, so we can say 2 of angle XOZ equal to 138 degree. So if we divide both part by 2, then we'll get the answer should be 138 degree divided by 2, that is 69 degree. And this is the answer of number 8. So we can solve it in that way or that way. Now number 9. Number 9 says the angles Z degree, 2Z degree, 3Z degree and 6Z degree together form a complete revolution. Find Z. So a complete revolution means actually 360 degree. So if the angles Z degree, 2Z degree, 3Z degree and 6Z degree together form a complete revolution, that means the addition of Z degree, 2Z degree, 3Z degree and 6Z degree will be 360 degree. So summation of Z degree, 2Z degree, 3Z degree and 6Z degree should be 360 degree. Very simple problem. So if I want to add Z plus 2Z, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6, that is 12Z degree equal to 360 degree. So if you want to divide this 360 by 12, what will we get? We'll get Z degree equal to 360 degree by 12. That means 30 degree. Now our last problem. Number 10 says AOB and OX are two lines meeting at O. Again, AOB and OX are two lines meeting at O. The angle AOX equal to 124 degree. The lines OP and OQ bisect the angles AOX and XOB. Prove that OP and OQ are perpendicular. First, we have to draw the figure. Suppose this is AOB and another line that is called OX meeting at O. That means we can draw another line that is called OX and that is meeting at O with AB. The angle AOX, that means this angle is 124 degree. And now the question says the lines OP and OQ, that means another two lines bisect the angles AOX. So the line OP bisect angle AOX and another line that is called OQ also bisects. So another line that is called OQ also bisects angle XOB. Now we have to prove that this POQ is 90 degree or right angle. Why? Because the question says OP and OQ are perpendicular. So this OP and OQ should be perpendicular if the angle included them will be 90 degree or right angle. So how can we solve this one? At first, the question says angle AOX equal to 124 degree. So angle AOX equal to 124 degree. Since OP bisect angle AOX, so we can say angle AOP will be equal to angle POX. Why? Because OP bisect this angle AOX. That's why we can say angle AOP plus angle POX equal to 124 degrees. And angle AOP plus POX both are same thing. So the addition of angle AOP and POX should be 124 degree. So we can say angle POX should be 124 degree divided by 2 because this OP bisect angle AOX. That means POX should be the half of angle AOX. That means we can say 124 degree divided by 2, that is 62 degree. Why? Because OP bisect angle AOX. That means POX, angle POX is half of angle AOX. So that is our first one. Now OQ bisect angle XOB. So at first we have to find out what is the value of angle XOB. Look, this angle XOB and this angle AOX both are supplementary angle to each other. So we can say angle XOB should be 180 degree minus 124 degree. So if we subtract 124 degree from 180 degree, we'll get 56 degree. And since this XOB angle will be bisected, that means OQ bisect angle XOB, so we can say angle XOQ should be half of angle XOB. So what is the value of angle XOB? That is 56 degree. So if we divide 56 by 2, then we'll get 28 degree. So we'll get this angle, that means angle POX, that is 62 degree, and angle XOQ, that is 28 degree. So what is the addition of POX and XOQ? Look, POX plus XOQ should be 62 degree plus 28 degree. So what is our final line? That is POQ. Why? Because the addition of POX and XOQ should be POQ, and that is actually 90 degree. Since POQ is 90 degree, so we can say POQ is the right angle and OP and OQ are perpendicular. And that is the answer of number 10. So OP is perpendicular to OQ. Very simple one. So thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.